Thembisani Mdluli's family members are inconsolable as they are led into a car accompanying theirs. The married father of 3 was also a devoted community builder who developed this soccer team in his area. These aspirant soccer stars have clearly lost someone important in their lives as they carry Mdluli's coffin to the hearse. Mpumalanga residents say government comes to express
dikakanyo dintle imqondo emihle kule ideas dikakanyo dintle Moloto heritage site #Moloto Memorial Museum. Ngicela ukuthi kungaba umqondo omuhle ukuthi kube ne-heritage site kumgwaqo woMoloto labaningi khona abantu abakwaNdebele abasenza iPitoli abafa ngamabhasi ePhadco.
Shock and sadness every time a major accident occurs on the infamous Moloto Road. What follows are countless promises to develop the long-awaited Moloto rail corridor, and this time was no different.
As I'm talking now, the matter is back on the agenda of this current government, and I'm sure very soon we'll be able to make some positive announcement in that regard.
But the national government seems to suggest there's still a long way to go before the rail corridor is realized.
Baningi abantu asebeshonile manje iSoweto nayo yaduma ngo-1976 kwashona ingane eziningi ingakazalwa nokuzala abasikhulula ngoba yaduma umhlaba wonke ngoJune 1976 16 June inamba cishe yaqala 176 kuya ku700 akushiwo ngoba kahle kahle bangakho kodwa baningi kakhulu yaduma umhlaba wonke ingakho iSoweto ithuthukile ngale yaminyaka ngabuka nje amafilimu akhona ibikhona imigwaqo yobhuqu ikhona iwutiyela manje khona nje iwutiyela yonke kunama-mall kunama-facilities amahle ngenxa yokuthi yaba i-heritage site yaduma umhlaba wonke kanye neSharpeville massacre 1960 la kwashona khona abantu abo-69 yaduma nje umhlaba wonke angikazi ngeSharpeville kodwa hlezi inama-facilities amahle so mhlawumbe uMoloto Road kungaba kuhle kube ne-heritage site #Moloto Memorial Museum kuba isikhumbuzo okuphoqa ukuthi i-airport yaseMpumalanga ekhulu eMpumalanga ibe more international exhumana namazwe abantu asuka phesheya bafuna ukuya khona bafike kalula bangaze bangene u-OR Tambo evele nje iminyeni.
The network of the line that was identified in the pre-feasibility study and the feasibility study done by Mpumalanga. Now there are housing developments in that area. So it means we need to look for another area where the line must be.
Angithi ayibona nje imphumela ukuthi kulokhu kwenza ithenjiso kafe kungafeza ugcina sekwakhiwa la befanele nje ujantshi ube khona kanti abaningi asebeshona kanti akusizi mangabe umuntu eshona umndeni wakho ukhokha 7,000 noma sebeyimise ku-17,000 kodwa baningi abantu asebeshonile so lento isho khona impela kufanele kwenziwe ukuthize manje ngicabanga ukuthi mangase kube i-heritage site noma ngabe kuthiwa ujantshi usukhona kuba isikhumbuzo for laba abashona besebenzela imindeni yabo ngibuka ngaleyo ndlela iyaziwa umhlaba wonke.
So here's something interesting. I'm in the western part of the Mpumalanga province, and behind me is the well-known R573 Moloto Road. This road runs northeast from Pretoria, traverses 3 provinces, and ends up right here at the N11 near Marble Hall. Samuel has sent me on a road trip across South Africa to uncover and highlight the amazing work that goes into constructing and maintaining our national road network. In Kwaggafontein, I met Ubab RV, Richard Sindani, who has insights into what the project was and now is that the project is complete.
Mina ngibona ukuthi nje ngoba manje isithe ukuthuthuka akuphinde futhi kwenziwe okunye futhi kube i-heritage site khona kulomgwaqo.
This Moloto Road project has brought much needed economic benefit for the locals. 5,000 plus jobs were created and sustained through Samuel's work right here. One of the many positives of the new Moloto Road is that it is now being properly fenced. This is to ensure the safety of the 33 informal and township communities that fall within its immediate vicinity. It is a shining example of the incredible work being done by SANRAL and its partners. But I think that the best person to share their thoughts and appreciation for the work done here by SANRAL is Ubabrichan.
Ukusebenzisa kwethu le ndlela le siyisebenzisa ngendlela e-right ngoba sithatha abantu sibase endaweni bafike baphephile. USANRAL ngathanda ukubonga kakhulu ukuthi usilethele izinguquko la emphakathini wethu kangangokuthi nabantu nomphakathi owethu uyahlomula kwezomnotho. Nathi siyahlomula and nomgwaqo wethu uyakhula. So i-change likhulu kakhulu. Ngabonga kakhulu uSANRAL kwasenzelayo.
Noma kungasala sekuthiwa uMoloto Road Heritage Site ngaba igama elihle kuzohambisana ngempela kodwa ngomqondo omuhle kube heritage site iduma umhlaba wonke letha ama-tourist nojantshi musukhono zokuthuthukile likhakanyo elinhle kule days imiqondo emihle. Moloto Road Heritage Site #Moloto Memorial Museum.